Man, that car's going fast. They don't have their seatbelt on. Oh no, somebody call 911. There's an accident.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh goodness, the car's locked. I'm going to take you to the hospital. Don't worry. The hospital. Stop! We'll get in. Oh! Dr. Gonzalez, we have a trauma victim. Trauma to the head and neck.
Great, they're in trauma 1. Dog Limo, let's go for you. Can't be good. Somebody hurry, she's coming in a cardiac arrest. Bring me the paddles. Too good, doctor. Thank you. Charge it 200. Clear. It's not working. Charge it again. 200. Clear. Last time. 300. Charge it. Clear. That's it. Time of death, 1:20 p.m. Oh, you're getting pretty. Time of death, 1:20 p.m. Contact your parents. Okay. You're shouting! Has anybody contacted the mother yet? Excuse me, I'm looking for my daughter. Her name is Kathleen. She was in a car wreck. Car wreck? What time is it? About 10:30. What room is she in? Is she okay? What happened?
Daughter, she had serious trauma to the neck and to the head.
You must be mistaken. No, you must be mistaken. She was just in a car wreck. You must be wrong. Can you check again? Her name was Kathleen.
She broke her neck and the trauma to the head. She wasn't wearing her seatbelt.
Oh God! My baby! Oh no!
Action.
Here it is, Captain Hill. Miss Hill, if she was wearing her seatbelt, she would have lived. The impact of not wearing her seatbelt on the airbag and hitting her head and her neck going against it was too much. I'm sorry.